Today I'm going to show you how to remove the dome light assembly. Just in case you want to change the bulbs or you need to remove it to install something. So let's get right to it. So the best way to take this out is we're going to need access here. Pull this. And there should be a T20 bolt. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Now that we have both bolts off, we're going to go ahead and pull back here and pull down the liner of the upholstery. Now that helped us cut some slack here because now we can access the tabs on the back of the dome light. I got one side down. I'm going to hold it. And there you have it. So we got it down. Now if you need to change some bulbs, you can do so. Pretty easy. So if you got these bulbs to change, they come right off. There you go. Now you don't have to pay the dealer $100 just to change your dome lighting. I'm going to make these two LED. And then installation is the same, is the reverse of taking it down. Pretty easy to put back. So there you have it, folks. That's how you remove your dome light. Comment, subscribe, like the video. I have more videos coming out.